welcome back to my channel. I am Jia. In today's video, my mama is preparing 3 Onam Sadhya recipes: Avil, Vallarika Pachdi and Sambar. Let's see the recipes. Over to mama.
Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. So let's start preparing the sambar. Here I have taken cooker. In this I have put 4 to 5 long beans, then 1 cucumber cut into cubes, 1 carrot. You have to cut the vegetables into big cubes. Then 2 potatoes, 1 brinjal, 1 raw plantain, 1 chopped onion, 3 green chilies. Then add washed and cleaned tur dal, add some salt. Then add water up to the vegetables. I have not added ladyfinger and tomatoes at this point as it will get overcooked. I'll be adding it later. Keep this for 1 whistle. By the time this gets cooked, let's roast the coconut. I have taken 1 cup grated coconut. To this add 1 teaspoon of urad dal, half teaspoon fenugreek seeds, few dry red chilies, half teaspoon hing or asafoetida, and few curry leaves. Roast it till it becomes light golden brown. Do not burn it. Keep the flame medium to low. Once it has become golden brown, to this we will add 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of chili powder and 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. Roast everything well. We will roast it for 5 minutes. Now it is almost done. We will keep this for cooling. Then add this mixture into the jar, add little water and grind this into a smooth paste. Now the vegetables have been cooked. To this we will add 1 tomato sliced, 4 to 5 lady fingers and cook this for 3 minutes. We should not overcook this. 3 minutes have already become. Now we will open it. We will add this grinded coconut mixture into the curry. Mix everything well. We will cook this for 4 to 5 minutes. To this we will add this tamarind pulp. We will strain it and add the tamarind water into this. Now mix it and keep on medium flame. Check the salt, add it if required. Now let's go to seasoning. I have kept this pan. To this add coconut oil, add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, chopped garlic, few shallots, add some dried red chilies and some curry leaves. Fry this, then add this to the curry. The sambar is ready. Off the flame now. This sambar is prepared without any ready-made sambar powder, so please give it a try. Next Onam Sadhya recipe is Avil. So let's see what are the ingredients required. Here I have taken 2 carrots, 2 raw plantains, 3 to 4 long beans, 3 drumstick and a small piece of yam. We have to cut all these vegetables into long slice. It should not be very thick nor should be very thin. It should be all in the same size. Now let's start cooking. Heating the pan. To this we will add coconut oil. Add all the cutted vegetables. Mix everything well for 2 minutes. To this we will add half teaspoon turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon chili powder and some salt. Give it a mix. If you feel the vegetables are sticking at the bottom, then add little water and cook. Now we will close the lid and cook on medium flame. Add some curry leaves. Now let's go to the coconut mixture. Here I have taken 4 to 5 shallots, 3 green chilies and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. We will crush all these 3 ingredients in the grinder. Now it is grinded. Now we will add this into the coconut. I have taken 1 cup of grated coconut. To this add the mixture. Then add a pinch of turmeric powder and some curry leaves. Mix everything together with your hand. If you want, you can add all these ingredients into the mixer and give it a pulse without adding any water. But I like to do this way with hands as it tastes better. Now let's go back to our cooking. If you have started liking my videos, please do not forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get all the latest notifications. So the vegetables are almost cooked. To this we will be adding half cup of curd. Mix everything well. We will cook on low flame for 5 minutes. Now the vegetables are well coated with curd. To this we will add the coconut mixture. Mix gently without breaking the vegetables. We'll close the lid and cook for 4 to 5 minutes on low flame. This is the perfect consistency of avial. Now we will off the flame, add some coconut oil on top and sprinkle some curry leaves. Coconut oil adds flavor, taste and aroma to avial, so do not skip this step. So now let's prepare our third Onam Sadhya recipe, that is Vellarika Pachdi. For this we need Vellarika, also known as Indian cucumber. We will remove the skin of this Vellarika and cut it into cubes. Now add this Vellarika into a pressure cooker. Add some water and some salt. We will keep this for 1 whistle on high flame. Till it gets ready, let's prepare the coconut mixture. I have taken the mixer jar. To this add 4 tablespoons of grated coconut, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, quarter teaspoon mustard seeds, few curry leaves, 2 green chilies. Add little water to this and grind it into a smooth paste. This is the perfect consistency of the paste. Now here I am taking 8 tablespoons of curd. Whip this and keep it aside. Let's see our vegetable. It has been cooked. this we will add the coconut mixture. Mix it and keep on high flame for 10 minutes. It is boiled and become little thick. Now we will make the flame very low and add this curd. Now you should not give it to boil. It just have to become hot. Check the salt and add if required. Then add a pinch of sugar. Mix everything well. Now it is almost done. We will off the flame. Now let's go for seasoning the Velarika Pachadi. I have taken a pan. To this add coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, few dried red chilies, few curry leaves. Mix it off the flame and put this mixture into the pachadi. Mix the pachadi very well. Our Onam Sadhya Velarika Pachadi is ready. Hope you all liked it.
So guys, if you like my mama's recipes, please press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get my latest notifications. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more arts, crafts and recipe videos.